going on, everybody? Today what we're going to do is swap out the cracked coolant tank, some of the hoses, and possibly, I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do this yet or not, but I might change out the thermostat. Kind of nervous about that one because, I mean, I know where it is now, but the problem is that it's not really advised unless you race the car a lot or whatever. Given that I live in Phoenix, Arizona, and it's constantly hot here, it might be okay. And I will be, hopefully one day, running quarter miles in this bad boy. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Not 100% sure. But stick around. We're gonna get this started. I got the intake out, mounts right here. I'm gonna put this back so I don't, well, there goes that. Now I gotta get my damn magnet. Intake is out. I removed the charge pipe from the throttle body. Throttle body is sitting up here. That should give me access to the thermostat down there, hopefully. I'm still draining out the coolant here. I don't know what's up with the color, but I think it's the soap box itself, because when I looked in here, it didn't look like that. Then again, if you look down here, you see just some discoloration. So I gotta keep draining this, and I gotta figure out if I'm gonna swap out this or not, if I can get to it without taking the whole manifold intake off or apart. So this thermostat I purchased as a combo with this and the Liver Noise handheld tuner for the EcoBoost Mustang. I did not like the Liver Noise tuner handheld thing because it didn't give you any data really. So I sold it, but I kept the thermostat. And I believe this is the even flow 160 degree one, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I'm gonna change it out. Why not? I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, where the temperature is easily, I mean, inside the cabin, it reaches 124 degrees. I can't imagine what that engine, how hot the engine gets during the summer. That thing is filled up, and now this thing is filled up. So I need more space somewhere, damn it. And because I have to drain it from the bottom, I need to take off the belly pan and my splitter. But because the splitter does not come with any holes pre-drilled into it or whatever, you have to drill your own holes when you're putting it on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark every spot where I actually have a hole because of a bolt, because I don't want to make more holes and I don't want to use the wrong holes. This hole here wasn't catching. I don't even know why I made it, but anyways, the point is I'm gonna mark every single place where I have a bolt so I know where they go, so I don't make extra ones, or I know that it's gripping right. Like right now this thing is on here really well. I can barely shake it, but I want it to be sturdy like it is, and I don't want to make any new holes and use the wrong ones. It's a lot of work. Use the channel locks to take off the hose here, the OEM one, which is right here. And it comes with its own little deals here. You gotta use them. I still haven't done the other side yet. That other side I'm a little bit worried about because of the thermostat. I'm kind of dreading it, to be honest. Alright, so where am I on this fucking stupid project? This hose is replaced. Now I'm over there taking off the other one. Seriously guys, drain this fucking piece of shit from all the coolant fluid before you start taking shit off. The fucking bottom one down there exploded in my face. Thank God I was wearing my fucking glasses for protection, but it got all over my face. I have to take out the stupid manifold intake so I can get to the thermostat. Fuck off. Finally got the stock thermostat out. Nothing wrong with it. And here's the aftermarket one. Not sure what that is, but the other one doesn't have it. Okay, that's where it goes right there. It goes right in here. Just like this. Not gonna be easy to get that shit in there. New thermostat is in. I'm gonna plug here. Then I gotta pull the other one, this bad boy here, and slap it in that there. Okay. Now in order to be able to get to those 3 bolts, it's only 3 bolts, I actually had to loosen up all the bolts for the for the intake manifold. And this intake manifold does not have the original bolt. It has these Allen key bolts because of the spacer that I'm using for the injection of the methanol. Yours will be different, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. There's one down here, one right there, one right there, one right there. Actually, sorry, I gotta back up. These are not the bolts for that. These bolts are for the throttle body. These 5 bolts over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. One down here, way back there. One here, one there, and one there. That's 5. Sorry about that. But yeah, these are longer than the stock ones because I'm using the intake manifold spacer to inject the methanol. Oh Lord. Busy. This is not, well, this is easy if you have the right tools, if you have a lift, stuff like that. But if you don't have any of the right tools and lift, this is going to be a nightmare for you. When I took off the thermostat, a lot more coolant came out, obviously. Kind of went everywhere, so I gotta get some sawdust and lay it down and whatnot. Turn this fan off. Alright, here's the upper radiator hose. Here is another coolant hose. There's this one. Down there is the lower radiator hose. All changed. The thermostat is changed. Let me go over there. Thermostat's changed out. Remember, I had to remove the intake manifold to get to that. Here's this. Just noticed something. This is smacking this hose here, and you don't want it to be rubbing up on there because it will cause a hole after a while. So I gotta move this and make sure the other ones don't hit anything either. Yeah, I think the other ones are good. Almost done. When you're putting this all back together, don't forget there's a little gasket, O-ring, whatever the hell you want to call that there. There, you see the black one? Gotta make sure it's on there good. I just almost put it together and it was hanging from one side. This only pertains to the people using the throttle body spacer for boost reference or injection. Intake's back on, throttle body's back on, intake manifold is back on with the spacer. There's a new fucking tank. I swear to God, I'm so sick and tired of working on this piece of shit. I'm gonna go around again, double check. But changed down there, change the thermostat, button everything up. We are full on liquid, so we're good there. Now I just gotta put the bottom back together. So exhausted. If you guys can afford to have somebody do this for you, just pay somebody to do it. I am so beat. Started off nice and organized and very neat. Ended up breaking my fan, making a freaking mess with the antifreeze. Blew up in my face. Thank God I was wearing my safety glasses.